And now we get ready for some rain that's going to make its way in here tomorrow. So, look, I'll map everything out for you. I think it's going to be a shorter event than initially thought. I think it'll be out here pretty early on Friday. So first, I'll get you outside. I've been saying kind of hazy, hot, and humid all day. Well, it's still that. It's hot and hazy, 85 degrees. You certainly can't see for miles and miles because of that haze in the air. Also complicated a little bit by a smoke flow that's coming in from Ontario, Canada, with some wildfires. So that's one of the reasons why we have such unhealthy air. Air's holding up. The air's kind of tough right now. We do have air quality alerts, and it's because a lot of pollutants in the air and some of that smoke making its way down as well. But 85 right now. High temperature was 88. Average would be 84. Quick math tells you you're 4 degrees above the average. The record 102 in 1993. Again, yesterday's 106. That was the record. Hottest temperature ever in New York City. What we currently see is an area that is, free of rain. The bigger picture will show you. Here's what we're watching. Two areas. One up around Minnesota, the other one around sort of Arkansas. And yet, ironically, that's what we're watching for this chance for storms later in the day on Thursday. Where I'm focused on is this area right here. That donut hole with really nothing inside of it. Why? Because this is where I believe these two are going to merge. And once they get to this position right there in the Ohio Valley, that's going to really set up for a likely chance for us to see the wet weather. Again, more so later in the day on Thursday. So if we time it out with the computers, you take a look at Thursday morning. I mean, the morning commute tomorrow is fine. Even the evening commute, I think you're okay. And now the clouds start to fill in. But here you are, 5 p.m. Is there any rain for the morning commute? Sure, especially north and west. But it's going to be more so after the sun sets. This is like 10:30 p.m. Where you see that orange or those bouts of red, could be some very heavy rain making its push through the area. We have a deficit right now of about an inch for the month of July. I know it's early, but about an inch so far. We could erase it, with Thursday night's rain. It pushes through, and by Friday morning, 6:30 a.m., still some rain in the area, even some heavy rain out on the east end of Long Island, but that then gets out of here pretty early. And 2 p.m., just some light little showers remain. Skies start getting better, and I think you have a good-looking weekend ahead. Saturday's going to be a hot one, 88 degrees with a partly sunny sky. Sunday, the same deal. You're still cooking out there at 90. Speaking of cooking, this is getting cooked into a storm. Now, right now, it is just referred to as potential tropical cyclone number 2, only 30-mile-per-hour winds, but it's where is it going? And where is it going? That's the question. So it pushes off to the west, we believe, then sort of curves up to the northwest, possibly becoming sometime, this is showing Saturday, like Saturday late morning, early afternoon, maybe a Category 1 hurricane pushing on shore. Keep in mind, I think there's going to be a storm for that portion of the country. More about the water than the wind. Outside of New Orleans, they've already picked up 7 inches in Jefferson Parish, and that could put down over a foot to a foot and a half of rain. We'll watch that one. We will watch that one carefully. Here's how I see our extended forecast. 85 tomorrow with that rain chance developing late, 87 on Friday. The rain chance ends pretty early, and then a nice-looking weekend awaits and a dry pattern right now for the start of next week.
Okay, Lonnie, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, still ahead here at 5.